In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Zomee Fit, including the parts, modes, and settings. We've included recommended pump modes and settings to help you get started, but everybody is different, so feel free to adjust based on what feels best for you. Your Zomee Fit comes pre-assembled with the following core parts: pump motors, 6-ounce collection containers, a 25mm breast shield comes attached. You'll also find sizes 21mm and 17mm in your accessories kit. If none of those fit right, call our mom line to activate the Perfect Fit Promise, free replacement shields in any size you need. Breast shield body, which connects the breast shield to the pump motor. Diaphragms, which create suction and prevent milk from backing up into the tubing or motor. And a duckbill valve for maintaining the suction and performance of your pump. You'll also find these helpful replacement parts and accessories: diaphragms, which should be replaced as needed, duckbill valves, which should be replaced every 1 to 3 months, collection container lids for storing your milk, a collection cup cleaning brush, bra strap adjusters for adjusting your bra to ensure the pump stays in place, and a USB Type-C charging cable. For extra support, you'll receive a nipple ruler guide and a printed instruction manual in both English and Spanish. Your Zomee Fit has 3 pumping modes. Use the mode button to switch between stimulation mode, expression mode, and two-phase mode. For individuals with flat or inverted nipples, the Zomee Fit features a dedicated nipple correction setting. This setting uses gentle suction to help draw out the nipple and prepare for pumping. We recommend starting your pumping session with nipple correction if you have flat or inverted nipples. To use nipple correction, press the mode button and cycle through the modes until you land on this icon. Before your first use, fully charge your pump. Charge for 2 hours to reach a complete charge. To turn your pump on, press the power button. We recommend beginning every session in stimulation mode. Press the mode button until you reach stimulation mode to begin your session in stimulation mode. Stimulation mode uses short, fast, gentle suction, similar to how a baby nurses. This helps stimulate your breasts and trigger letdown, which is the flow of milk. There are 9 suction levels in stimulation mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the suction gradually between levels 1 and 9. Remember to increase slowly and only to a level that feels comfortable. The first time you turn the pump on, it will start in stimulation mode and automatically switch to expression mode after 2 minutes of pumping. Expression mode delivers a slower, deeper, and stronger suction pattern designed to help increase milk output. There are 9 suction levels in expression mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to slowly adjust from level 1 to 9. Zomee recommends starting expression mode at the same level you used during stimulation mode and gradually adjusting based on your comfort. Pump in expression mode for 8 to 10 minutes or until you've fully emptied your breasts. To trigger a second letdown, you can switch to two-phase mode. This setting helps stimulate your body differently than stimulation mode and is more effective for achieving your second letdown. Two-phase mode alternates between stimulation and expression. It begins with a gentle, faster suction and transitions into a slower, deeper pull. This mode has 9 suction levels. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Stay in two-phase mode for 8 to 10 minutes to help encourage a second letdown and complete an approximate 20-minute session. Some moms prefer to stay in two-phase mode for the entire session, and that's totally okay. Everybody is different, so use the settings that work best for you. The Zomee Fit has a built-in sensor to track milk volume during your session. When you power on the pump, it will automatically start at volume level 1, which detects when milk reaches 4 ounces. To change the volume level, long press the on and plus buttons at the same time. Then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Level 1, 4 ounces. Level 2, 5 ounces. Level 3, 6 ounces. To turn the sensor on or off, long press the mode button and wait for on or off to appear. To lock the screen, long press the on button. To stop pumping and power off, long press the power button. Your pump will automatically shut off after 30 minutes as a safety precaution. After your session, carefully twist the collection container to remove it from the motor. You can store your expressed breast milk in the collection container of your choice. We recommend washing all washable parts that come into contact with milk after each use using warm soapy water. Let them dry completely before reassembling your pump. If you'd like to sterilize occasionally, immerse the washable parts in boiling water. For more information, check your user manual. Need a different size? If the included breast shields don't fit quite right, we'll send you a free pair in the size you need. No hassle, no extra cost. Scan the QR code to request a new size complimentary through our Perfect Fit Promise. Need support? Contact our mom line at 1-888-662-7159 to speak with experienced moms and certified lactation consultants.